Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Family and Consumer Sciences test? This is test number 5122. Praxis 5122 is a multi-subject exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of food and nutrition. Let's review some of the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's jump right in. Which of the following should you remember to do with pot handles in the kitchen? Handle them with wet cloths. This is very unsafe because wet cloths can conduct heat and cause burns, so this is not the correct answer. Take them all off. Not only is this unnecessary for safety purposes, it's also extremely impractical, so this is not correct either. Make sure they face the edge of the range. This actually increases the risk of accidental spills or burns from bumping into the handles, so this is unadvisable as well. Keep them turned towards the back of the range. This practice prevents accidents such as knocking the pots over or children grabbing the handles, enhancing kitchen safety. Thus, it is the correct answer. If produce is not properly washed before eating, what is the most likely type of contamination that will occur? Allergenic. This type of contamination is related to allergens like nuts or gluten and not typically from unwashed produce, so we can cancel that one out. Chemical. Chemical contamination involves pesticides or residues, which can also be present but are less common compared to biological contaminants on unwashed produce. Pesticide levels are regulated and monitored, and while residues can be present, they are often at low levels due to regulatory limits. So chemical is not the correct answer either. To physical. Physical contamination involves foreign objects like dirt, stones, or insects, which are also possible, but biological contamination is more likely to cause health issues. So this too is incorrect. Biological. Produce that is not properly washed can carry bacteria, viruses, or parasites from soil, water, or handling, leading to biological contamination and potential foodborne illnesses. So while pesticide contamination is a valid concern, biological contamination is more immediately likely and harmful if produce is not properly washed. Therefore, biological is the correct answer here. What percentage of your daily caloric intake should come from proteins? 5 to 25%. This range is too low and narrow. It does not encompass the full recommended range, so we can eliminate that. 20 to 35%. While this does fall within the recommended range, it excludes the lower end, which is suitable for less active people, so we can cross that out as well. 25 to 40%. The upper limit of this range exceeds the recommended range, potentially leading to imbalances in nutrient intake. So this is not correct either. 10 to 35%. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend that 10 to 35% of daily caloric intake should come from proteins. This range is broad enough to accommodate different dietary needs and activity levels, and it is the correct answer. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of food and nutrition for the Praxis 5122 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.